Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to change the color of an imported image or logo in Canva. Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel and let's get into it. So you're looking to change the color of an imported logo or an image. Here's how you can go about doing this. Once you open up your projects, let's say you have a project you want to work on, all you need to do is just head over to uploads where you actually have your uploads. Click on the upload option, and if you do not have any image you'd like to upload, you can click on upload files and your computer files are going to show up, and then you select the file you would like to upload, and then it would be uploaded onto Canva. Now, I already have an image on Canva that I would like to use for this tutorial. So let's say you want to make use of this. As you can see, the color is set to red. Now, for certain images or certain logos, there is the color wheel. Now, with Canva's special tools, you could simply change this color to things like black. You could change it to something like pink. You could make it salmon. You could even make it yellow. So it kind of looks like this. Now, this is one way of doing it. The second way of doing this would be to simply select the image. Once you selected this image, where we have edit at the top, click on edit here. Once you selected edit, simply scroll till you find duotone and click on duotone. Once you selected duotone, simply scroll till you find any of the tones you wish to use. So let's go with this one here. Once you selected this, just simply click on the highlights. So when you select a duotone to apply to your image, a highlight and shadow is going to show up. Just simply click on the highlight and drag the cursor over to white. And now we have more of a greenish looking logo than the original color of yellow. You could now click on shadows and make the shadows a different color. You could make it brighter, you could make it blue, you could make it purple, pink, and whatever you want. All right, guys. So this is how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you.